DoneRight Management. I happen to be at the Lazy Deer Landing in McCall, Idaho. In the master bedroom, we're going to do a quick video tutorial on the television setup here. The nice thing is this is actually a very straightforward, very easy operation of this particular television. It is just on and off with the power button on the top left. Changing the source code on this one does us no good, only because the only television source that has any benefit is just the one that says TV. So there's no reason to be on anything else because nothing else works. And then being able to change the channel is right here on the left-hand side. And just going through and then changing the channel. And that would be it. And volume controls on the left-hand side. If you have any further questions, need any assistance, you can call the landline in the office. And that number is 208-634-0030. Cheers.